Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out of AOL Mail. So if you also want to log out of AOL Mail, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in mail.aol.com. After that, you'll be left to this kind of interface. If you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see your name over here. You can compose and send mail through AOL Mail. You can also see the latest news. You can enjoy various features in AOL Mail. But if you want to log out of your account, all you have to do is click on your name that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see your username. Right below it you'll be able to see the option for account info. Right below it you'll be able to find the option for sign out. All you have to do is click on it. Now wait for a while. You can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out of AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.